Hi flower lovers! Today I will talk about this beautiful flower which is very popular as an ornamental flowering plant. The name of this flower is Ixora. Ixora is a perennial and shrubby plant that grows beautifully in tropical regions. This plant blooms throughout the year, but during summer and monsoon, this plant blooms more than other times. Ixora is a hardy flowering plant. Flowers stay fresh for about 20 to 25 days. It's a scentless flower, but the flowers are very beautiful. There are many types of Ixora plant species in the world. This plant is very easy to grow plant, easily propagated by cuttings. Seedlings also grow from seeds. If planted in the ground, this plant does not need any special care, but growing in containers requires a little care. If you want to grow Ixora in pots, mix vermicompost with garden soil to prepare potting soil. This plant is likely to die in excess rain. Spray fungicide every 15 days during rainy season. This flowering plant likes hot weather. This plant should be planted in a place where it gets at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day.